Page 38 of the book, Practice and More. Your pencils also, please.
मैम नंबर पेज का
Write classwork. Write today's date, please.
चलो तो कोई व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं दिए कभी कभी मुझे आपको बने पूजा
इसको ओपन
Page 38. Practice and More book. Write classwork. Write today's date. Classwork and today's date.
मैम प्लीज send the page number.
Please check your WhatsApp. I have sent the page number and I'm repeating the page number in class also.
Okay ma'am.
Ready, children? Okay. Exercise A on this page. Exercise A on this page. Underline the names of the vegetables and circle the names of fruits. Now, when I ask you to answer, you will just tell me the name of one vegetable. Okay. Nishkat, underline one vegetable and tell me the name. Nishkat, switch on.
Onion.
The word is not onion, the word is onion. Pronounce it.
Onion.
Onion. Okay. You have to underline the name of the vegetable. So underline onion. Switch off your mic, please. Varunika, next vegetable.
Next vegetable. Onion.
Onion, he has already said. Nishkat has already told us the name of the onion. Next vegetable over there.
Vegetable is
Varunika, you don't know the difference between vegetables and fruits, beta. You are still thinking. Picture is in front of you. You just have to give me the name. The name is also written over there. Tell me the name of the next vegetable, child. You don't have to continue saying, okay, ma'am. You have to understand what I am saying. Nishkarth has given us the name of onion. Which is the next vegetable that you can tell me? Havera, can you give me the name of the next vegetable, please?
brinjal.
Very good. Please underline brinjal. Veronica, it was such a simple vegetable. The vegetable was made over there. The name was written. You couldn't answer. Akshay Gupta. Akshay Gupta. The next name for the vegetable, please, in the book. Switch on the mic, please, Akshay Gupta. Yes. No, 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 no. Akshay, no. Akshay, no. No, Akshay, you should not answer because तुम बिना देखे कोई तुम्हें बता रहा है. You are answering. Leave it. Leave it. Suknoor, the next vegetable, please.
cauliflower,
Again, beta.
cauliflower,
Cauliflower, beta. Pronounce करो. Cauli. Pronounce करो बेटा. Pronounce करो. मेरे पीछे नाम लो. Cauliflower. बोलो. Flower. Cauliflower. फिर से बोलो बेटा. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. Flower. Flower. Oh, okay. I will teach you later on. Correct. Underline cauliflower also and switch off your mic, child. Next, Saida. Give me the name of a fruit from this.
watermelon,
Okay. You have to circle the watermelon. Very good. Achint, the next fruit.
bananas,
Very good. Please circle it. Tasmia, the next fruit.
banana,
Banana has already been answered.
apple,
Okay. Circle apples. So you have underlined the vegetables and you have circled the fruits. Now, let us come down. Write the total number of 3 vegetables they brought. So, Akshita, switch on your mic, please. Akshita, switch on your mic. This is a sort of mental maths also. Yes, Akshita. How many vegetables? There are 10 onions. Akshita, switch on your mic. Okay. Tell me, कितनी onions खरीदी? Beta, look at me. You have to look at me when you are answering, child. Okay. Akshita, how many onions?
10,
Look into the book, child. And how many brinjals?
3,
And how many cauliflowers?
2,
So 10 plus 3 is? You did this in kg, beta. 10 plus 3? जल्दी से काउंट करो. Devansh, don't tell her. Achint, would you like to answer?
3, ma'am,
What 3? Yeah. Achint, 10 plus 3 is equal to?
30,
You are not answering yourself, beta. केजी में तो करा है. केजी में तो करा है ना इतना this thing. Okay. Myra, can you answer? 10 plus 3? अगर मम्मी ना बताएं, मम्मी बताएंगे then I don't need the answer. 10 plus 3 is, Myra? Switch on your mic, child. Okay. 10 plus 3 children is 13 and 13 plus 2 is 15. So total number of 3 vegetables they bought is 15. 1, 5, 15. Write in the box over there. Write in the box over there. Next is total number of the 3 fruits they bought. So they bought 1 watermelon, 3 brinjals, 6 bananas and 5 apples. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So, oh, very good, Hanifa. I'm sorry I didn't see other. I would have asked you. So, they bought 12 fruits in all. Write 12 in the box. Now, this addition is a bit lengthy for you all, so I will not ask anyone. Total numbers of the 6 vegetables and fruits they bought. 1 plus 10 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. And 22 plus 5 is 27.
14.
What happened?
14.
What 14? "27 fruits and vegetables." क्लियर नहीं हुआ? फिर से बताऊं? ओके, क्वेश्चंस में तुमसे पूछा गया है कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ 3 वेजिटेबल्स जो खरीदी गई थी. तो 3 वेजिटेबल्स में 10 अनियंस खरीदी थी प्लस 3 ब्रिंजल्स खरीदे थे. तो 10 प्लस 3 13 हो गया, प्लस 2 कॉलीफ्लावर्स खरीदे थे तो 15 हो गया. इस तरीके से फर्स्ट स्क्वायर में हमने 15 लिखा. देन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज टोटल नंबर ऑफ द 3 फ्रूट्स दे बॉट. तो कितने फ्रूट्स टोटल खरीदे थे? तो 1 वाटरमेलन प्लस 6 bananas. 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 5 apples. 7 plus 5 is 12. ओके अचिंत, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? उसके बाद उन्होंने यस नो अचिंत यस ओके. देन द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज टोटल नंबर ऑफ द 6 वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स दे बॉट. लास्ट क्वेश्चन था कि कुल मिलाकर कितने फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स बाय करे थे. सो 15 प्लस 12 इज 27. और अगर वैसे काउंट करोगे तो 1 प्लस 10 इज 11. देन 11 प्लस 3 ब्रिंजल्स 14. 14 प्लस 2 16. 16 प्लस 6 16 plus 6 22 and plus 5 27. अचिंत, इतना समझ में आ गया? अब आ गया समझ में बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us move to the next exercise.
मैं ऐड करके लिख लूँगा.
Okay, good boy. Let us move to the next exercise. Write breakfast, lunch और dinner. 3 clocks बने हुए हैं. Clocks के नीचे लिखा हुआ है कि क्या टाइम है उनमें. ठीक है, अब तुम्हें ब्लैंक में लिखना है कि क्या समय पे तुम डिनर कर रहे हो, कि ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हो, कि लंच कर रहे हो. सो द फर्स्ट वन विल नाउ बी आंसर्ड बाय आद्या वर्मा. आद्या वर्मा, द फर्स्ट वन 8:30 at night. आद्या वर्मा, switch on your mic please. Yes, 8:30 at night. हम क्या कर रहे होते हैं?
Dinner, ma'am.
Very good. And the spelling of dinner, child, is?
D.
उसमें दिया है. Yes, it's in the book. You can write. Write and see and tell me the spelling. D-I. बुक में से देखो. DI. Yes. 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 R. Please write in the blank. Okay, write in the blank, all of you children. Yasir, the next one please. Switch on your mic and Yasir, the next one please. Yasir, it's 9 in the morning. Lunch, breakfast or dinner? क्या होगा? Please don't help him. Please, for God's sake, don't help him. Let him decide on his own. 9 in the morning. यासिर हम क्या कर रहे होंगे 9 in the morning में? Breakfast, lunch or... Yes, very good. And the spelling of breakfast is? See carefully. The spelling of breakfast is B-R. Children, write in the blank over there. BREAKFAST. 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 Okay, and the last one, Arsalan, the last one, 1:30 in the afternoon. 1:30 in the afternoon.
Breakfast, lunch in the afternoon.
Very good. And spelling of lunch is?
LUNCH.
Very good. Very good. Write it in the blank, children. Laiba, please pay attention. You are just enjoying yourself. Laiba, pay attention in class. Okay, move on to page 39, children. Go to the next page, write classwork, write today's date. Quickly. We have to finish this before the time gets over. Ayansh, switch on your mic, please. Now you have to look at the picture and circle yes or no. Ayansh, read the first sentence, please. Ayansh.
Yes, no.
What is the answer over here?
Yes.
Okay, so please circle yes, all of you. Hanifa, please read the next sentence.
Taking hands
else's mic is open, please switch it off. Okay, Hanifa. Does Jitu have a hat on his head? Jitu has a hat on his head. Check in the picture.
No.
Then please circle no. Shayan. The next one, please.
Next one is M-A-N-A-L-I,
Manali.
And is when touching cold.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
She's not wearing a coat, beta. She's wearing a sweater. Okay? So the answer is no.
No.
Wearing a sweater, right? So circle no, please. Advait. Advait, read the next sentence. Read. Manali.
Melody is wearing a coat. Yes. No.
Beta, coat wala to ho gaya hai. Why weren't you paying attention, child? You have to read the second sentence now.
Second sentence.
Yes.
Jitu is wearing.
Advait, beta, please follow the instructions. See what is happening in class. Pay attention in class. Jitu wala ho chuka hai. We are on Manali now. Manali mein number 1 we have already done. Number 2 now. Manali is
Wearing a coat.
beta. Manali is wearing a muffler. We are on number 2 now.
Number 2 चुका का.
नंबर 2 तुम्हें बताना है मुझे अब. 1 हो चुका है.
Yes, ma'am.
Circle yes. Yes, please. Circle yes. Next exercise, quickly. Write S for summer clothes, write W for winter clothes. We've just drawn these clothes, so we know. Right? Akshat, the first one. S or W? S, very good. Naima, number 2. S or W? Please don't help her. Please don't help her. Let her see on her own. Naima, S or W? Ashvi, S or W? Ashvi, number 2. It's a summer cloth or a winter one? S or W? Summer का है, winter का है?
Summer का.
So क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर?
नहीं पढ़ दिया आपने क्या कहा.
What will we write over there, beta? S or W? What are we going to write? बेटा अगर समर है तो S लिखेंगे, विंटर है तो W लिखेंगे. ओके? तो ये समर का है तो क्या लिखना है यहाँ पर? Good. Write S over there, please. Viraj, the next one, please. Number 3. Okay. So you will not be able to answer, Viraj. Let it be. Nabiha, number 3. If you are not looking at me or the book, there is no need to answer, child. Let it be. बुक नहीं है अभी तक. ओके. अक्षय गुप्ता, number 3. जल्दी बोलो अक्षय, hurry up. We don't have time now. No. Then I'm not taking your answer. मम्मी से पूछ के अगर बताना है, I'm not taking the answer. Let it be. Don't answer. Don't answer. No, don't answer. If your parents are helping you, I don't want an answer. Havira, can you please answer?
W.
W. It's a winter thing. It's a jacket. Very good, girl. Okay. Number 4. Suknoor, what will be the answer?
Number 4. Capri.
It's a capri. Okay. विंटर में पहनेंगे, समर में पहनेंगे?
Winter.
पैर खुले रह जाएंगे तो ठंड नहीं लगेगी?
Summer.
समर. तो क्या लिखेंगे? W लिखेंगे, S लिखेंगे?
S.
Okay, write S over there, all of you. Naima Khan, number 5.
W.
Very good. Gloves, W. And Veronica, number 6.
Is W.
Very good. W in number 6. Okay, children. Class is over for today. Take care, stay good, and be very good children. Bye bye, children. God bless you all.
Bye.